In this module, we will learn about the history of clothing material. Dear children, have you ever wondered what materials people used in ancient times for clothing? They used the bark, leaves of trees, animal skin, and fur to cover themselves. Slowly, with the growing civilization, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. The early Indians wore fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the regions near the river Ganga. Flax is also a plant that gives natural fibers. In ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile and were used for making fabrics. In those days, stitching was not known. People simply draped the fabrics around different parts of their body. Many different ways of draping fabrics were used. With the invention of sewing needle, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Stitched clothes have gone through many variations since this invention. But is it not amazing that even today we use unstitched piece of fabric like sari, dhoti, lungi, shawl or turban? Just as there is a large variety in the food eaten all over our country, a large variety exists also in fabrics and clothing items. We can summarize some of the topics. Hand picking. When cotton balls are matured, they burst out white cotton fibers. These balls are hand picked. Ginning. It is the process of removing cotton seeds from balls by combing. Nowadays, ginning is done by machines. Spinning. It is the process of turning cotton mass into yarn. It is done by homemade spinning machines like Takli or Charka. At large scale, big spinning machines are used. Weaving. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together is called weaving. It is done by a machine called loom, hand loom or power loom. Knitting. In knitting, single fiber is used to prepare a fabric. It can be done by hands or by machines. Dear children, I will teach you weaving by using the paper strips. I have taken two papers, one green color and one orange color. First I have to cut this papers into two square pieces of equal length and width. So I am going to cut 20 into 20 centimeter. After cutting, we have to fold the paper. After folding the paper, we have to draw lines like this in the green paper, horizontal lines, and in the orange paper you have to draw vertical lines. And you have to start cutting the orange sheet along the lines. So that we will get strips of orange paper. Cut the paper along the lines. Okay. Cut this also along the line all the way through, but not fully up to this much. In the same way, continue cutting all the lines. So we will get like this. We will get like this. Unfold this paper. Unfold this paper. Then take one strip and just put the first end like this and continuously like this, so that one strip is under the paper, the other one is above the paper like this. You go on doing like this. Okay. After weaving all the paper strips, you will get the pattern like this. So children, try this activity at home. In the same way only, weaving is done with the help of two threads. Hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.